guys, I'm going to kind of go over the directions for your color word paper for today. This is kind of our last page, reviewing those color words. You need to still be practicing those sight words at home as well. This is autumn tree colors. Autumn is another word for fall, the season we are in right now. We talked about at school the other day how those leaves change their colors as they lose their chlorophyll. In the fall, there's not as much sunlight, so they're not making the food that the tree needs. So they start to change different colors and then they fall to the ground. So your job on this page is to color the tree using the color word. So you're going to look at each leaf and you're going to read the color word and color that leaf to match. The trunk of the tree also has a color word on it. When you get everything with a color word done, then you can go back and color the squirrel and the nuts and the flowers and the trees and the grass if you would like to. Let's look at some of these color words together, okay? What's this one? Yellow. Red. Oh, we saw that one already. Yellow. Orange. Red. Orange. Red. And what color is the trunk? Brown. So you're going to read those words, color each leaf and the trunk, the color it says, and then you can color the other parts of the picture, whatever color you would like, okay? I'd love to see some pictures of your work. Do a nice, neat job. Color in all the white. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't forget to put your name on the top. Talk to you later.